this is Lisa with WTI. Do you find yourself constantly sneaking in the kitchen looking for something to snack on? Well, let me tell you how you can add this to your snacking list, which are super good and healthy. Almond flour crackers, fine ground sea salt are delicious. I really looked at the list and I appreciated that I could actually understand all of the ingredients. So if I can, then your body definitely recognizes them too. You're gonna see that these are small crackers. They are thin, but they are super crunchy. They are delicious. This goes so well with a salad, either a tuna salad or a grain salad. It also goes perfectly well with some cheese. They are so delicious and I'm sure you're going to love them. Simple Meals really provides the best high quality ingredients for you and your family. I highly recommend for you to check out their other items. They're delicious and nutritious, and that is my point of view.